Yeah, good morning, everyone, and good afternoon to some people. Oh, yeah, man. Welcome to yet another cool segment, cool session, another video. I'm your host, Joe Chikama, and yeah, I'm a full stack developer. So, today we're gonna be discussing something awesome, guys, like something really cool that I built. I just, you know, an incredible project. It's small, but I call it incredible. Yeah. So before I start, I just want to thank most of you know uh, my subscribers for just sending through their birthday wishes to me. Last week I was celebrating my birthday. Got another year ended. Yeah, so that I can give you guys more content like this. I'm just grateful, for God and how He's been taking care of me and just providing for me and all my friends that I have in my life and everyone who's in my life. I'm grateful. And yeah, thank you. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for coming through. If you're an previously subscribed or if you've been there with us, then yeah, thanks for coming through again, man. And yeah, let's just dive into it. So I built an automated file organizer project. Just something simple, really. It doesn't even require much. And I want to show you the code base. It's not even something confusing when you're looking at it. So basically, what the solution does, or what it really tackles, really, is just the common problem that we have, whereby you have a downloads folder, which is tons and tons of files, like different file types, and you can't really organize it. So I built something that can really help you organize it. So I call it the file organizer. Actually, let me experiment and put this. I wanna put this effect here. Hold on.
the fi- the file organizer. No, that's not it.
The File Organizer 2.0.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's called the file organizer, and it's pretty cool. Really, does quite a lot. So let me just dive into the code first, and then I'll show you a little bit of it, or I can just demo it. So as you're looking at it, just looks purely simple. We have our drag and drop files over here. We have your choose files over here, so you can choose to drag files or choose to whatever you want to do, like choose files. So for example, I'll do this. I'll click show all files. I'll come to a folder like this, then I'll select these two files for now, and then click open, and then see I will load that. Nice. And then it organizes your files. So the way it organizes now is it creates a zip file when you download, and the zip file will have all your files organized. So if I'm to click right now over here to download all files, it will give me a zipped file like this, which I can open. And when I open it, let me double click on it. You can see I have a folder called documents with one document that I added, another folder called images with the image that I added. Please tell me that's cool, because I'm in my mind right now. I'm like a little kid right now, like screaming, like, yeah, I made this. But yeah, yeah, hold myself. But basically, that's how it works. Like, it just structures your files better. And also it lists them here down here, which says organized files. And as you can see, when we ran it, it also deleted like the previous files that were there, which is pretty neat. Just some code cleaning, right? So starting with our backend, I did build this using Node.js. So let's just go over here. Cool. So as you're looking at it over here, you know, we're using Node.js with Express just to create, a better, safer. I mean, not really. I just love Node.js, guys. I don't even have like a proper reason, but I enjoy using Node.js. So let's just take a look at the code things that we did. First, we have our imports over here. We just have our imports over here where we're having our core dependencies that we're going to be using for our project. And we also have Express.js, which just handles our web server, because this is like a backend we are running. This file that I have, the server.js, that's our server that we're running here on my local machine. And we also have Multer. I'm pretty sure some of you guys have worked with it for file formatting, so file handling, really. file handling, file managing, and all those kind of stuff. And we're also using this one, yeah. We're also using the file system promises API for clean asynchronous file operations. And another package that we're using also, Archiver. Basically, it's a package that helps us, create zip files when users want to download their organized files, just like what I showed you down there when I was demoing the project. All right. Yeah. So the first interesting piece of our code base, if you're looking at it, is this function here, the create directories. So actually, let me let me delete these files here, this folder here. Then I can show you how it actually works. Let me stop the server from running. And then let's run our server. I want you guys to monitor this. I'm gonna run this command, node server.js. That's the command I'm gonna run right now. But I want you guys to monitor the folders that we have over here. We have node modules, we have public. Actually, I need to add like that folder, file. We have these two folders over here. But if I run this node server.js, it's gonna create a new folder called uploads. And then in that uploads folder, it's gonna add different folders for the different file types that we have. So look at this. Cool, done. It's ran right now. And you can see we now have a new folder called uploads, which is all the folders with the types we are listening to, as you can see over here. These are all the types that we've added that we wanna organize with, right? So pretty cool. So back to our function. So the first interesting piece of code is just our directory creation system over here. Starting from here, yeah. I lost my train of thought real quick. sorry about that, guys. Yeah, so yeah, that's our function that we have for creating our directories. So when the server first starts up, just like how you notice over here, it automatically creates like a well-structured folder structure that we have with these categories that we have. ASAP will be created using that. So we use we're currently using async await. Reason being, with the file system operations, they're always asynchronous, and we want to handle them as clean as possible, or as clean as we can. So that's why we're using the async await when you're looking at this function block. And scrolling down, this is just basically where we're calling our function, the create directories function, which is the one on top over here. Let's just saw over here, right? Now I just want to show you like the heart or the core of our upload system that we have, or like one of the best features. I can't really say best, but one of the crucial features that we have. So we're using Multer's disk storage engine. You can check out the package that if you wanna, you can do a lot with this package. I've worked with it on different, like several projects. So we're using the disk storage engine, and which will just configure it to automatically like sort files as they are uploaded, right? That you don't wait much. This is just running on our local, so yeah, files are handled on the go. So as you can see with this function over here, let me just highlight it so it's really clear. So as you can see with the function over here, like basically just analyzes the file types, the MIME, and also like determines which category the file belongs to. So when someone uploads like an image, or yeah, if they upload an image, right, it just automatically goes to the images folder that we have over here. The images folder that we have over there, straight up. So if it's a PDF, same thing, straight to the documents. So basically this happens in real time. As files are just being uploaded, there's no wait time whatsoever. But I did add some loaders there, just so that when you're uploading a lot of files or whatever stuff like that, you can also see something happening that for it to just be playing over there. Yeah, so basically this is how our function is working here. And yeah, another cool feature which I really added was the drag and drop. Let me I'm used to using Chrome, so I was about to switch right over here. So like one of the coolest features that we added was just the drag and drop interface. You're looking at it right now. So if you go to our front-end code, let me show you something over here. Okay, cool. Yeah. So if you're looking at our front-end code over here, we're handling multiple drag events. So we have the drag enter. Yep, we have the drag enter. We have the drag over. We have the drag leave, and we also have the drop. So this creates like a smooth user experience where you can just drag files into the web page. The upload function takes these files, wraps them in the form data, and then sends them to our backend. All right. Yeah, and then just sends them to our backend for us to work with. I want you guys to notice also like the visual feedback that we have when you're looking at this project. Like I mentioned it just now, but I just want to show you so that you guys know that it's actually there. If I'm to upload these 3 files, you'll see the loader. See this one, upload complete, and then just better handling of how do I put this for our users so that things are they don't think nothing is happening in the background. They see things happening on the go to. If there's an error, it can also get displayed. So it's just providing visual feedback for the client or anyone who's going to be using the project. So we also have a cool button that you see over here, the zip download feature. This is really particularly it's really interesting, guys. I won't lie. So when a user clicks the download button, our server just creates like a new zip file and then streams the files into it. So I'll show you the code. We're using streaming here instead of just loading everything into memory because it's much more efficient, plus especially for larger files too. Yeah, and the archive gets created with maximum compression just to keep the download size really small. If you're looking at it, you just go to tab thing, and then I think that should work if I tab that. All right, cool. I don't think you guys need to see the terminal. Let me close the thing and then show you this. All right, cool. And also like for our error handling, it was just a major focus that I really wanted to add to this application. And I want you guys to look at I'm gonna give you the code base, and you'll see the amount of try catch blocks that we have in this project. It's a lot, and we're not just catching errors. We're just using it to provide meaningful feedback to the users if there's an error or something like that, so that they know what has gone wrong, and maybe they can even debug from their side. So whether it's just like a failed upload or a problem creating the zip file, the user knows exactly what happened the moment it happens. Than for you to just show a blank screen or just showing that thing, and they've expect the user to actually go on console log, the inspect element, and go to the console and then seeing the issues that are over there. We don't want that, so that's why we're using this to actually show the errors too, also on our front end that side. And also another thing is after the download completes, we also have a cleanup function which is down here, which you can see over here, the request that we do for our cleanups, just like what I show. Yeah, let me show you with these files that we have. So if you're looking on our uploads folder over here, you see that we have several files in it that we've uploaded just now. I think there were 3, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, see, image, document, and zip. So as soon as I go to our project and I download it, it clears everything that we have, and then you start afresh. So I could have added like a bin. Come to think of it now, I could have added like a bin over here, or another button that just says clear. When you click it, it just clears everything. But yeah, the boy was lazy. Because guys, look at the time. It's like 20 to 1 right now, and I've got work tomorrow. So yeah, but I will leave it for the community to add. Actually, I'll put the code on GitHub, make it public, make an issue, create a pull request, and then let's see who's gonna build it first. I might actually beat you guys to building this. Yeah, so that's how it works. So if I download right now, let me show you that my download is complete, you see, and as soon as it's done, clears everything, and now I have to start again from scratch. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. So one detail I'm really proud of is also like the file size formatter that I built. Let me show you. It's on our front end here. File size formatter. Cool. This one. Just look how it handles our sizes. So it automatically just converts bytes into human readable sizes. For example, kilobytes, megabytes, and just so on. So it's these really small touches that I did that make the application really, quite more user friendly and usable. And I love it that I did this. And the whole system, basically I just designed it to be extensible, just so that adding new file types or categories, it's really as simple as just updating like anything on the code base if you want to change. So let me show you over here. If we go to the saver, where you can easily just change and add more file types. Look here, add more categories, add more items that you want to listen for. So we can easily extend these to handle more specific file types or any custom categorizations that you might want to use. So yeah, I tried to make this as quick as I can, guys, because I need to sleep. But yeah, that's the technical walkthrough for file organizer, and the complete code, I'm gonna put it on the GitHub repository linked below. Hopefully I don't forget to link it. So yeah, feel free to use it, modify it, and just let me know if you have any questions or suggestions for improvements. And yeah, also please rate the new setup that I have. I'll post a picture later, or I'll do a review of it later on. But do rate the sound, how it's sounding now, and yeah, any improvements, guys. I'm really trying to do my best over here. Yeah, and I'm gonna start something new next week. Really proud of this, or happy that I'm starting something new next week. I'm gonna be doing 4 a.m. code sessions, whereby I'll be streaming live. I was actually testing it like tonight. Streaming functionalities works fine, so I'm going to be doing them next week, and I really want your support. And please share topics you want me to cover. The next video that's coming up is going to be a non-technical video, but for the for the 4 a.m. code club sessions I'm going to be doing, these will be both technical and non-technical. But the next video coming next Thursday it won't be a technical video. I'll be covering any career topics that you guys want me to cover. I do have a few that I've been researching, so yeah, stay tuned for those ones. But otherwise, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, for more coding projects. This is just the start of something new, guys. I'm gonna be uploading new insane projects and never seen before projects. So yeah, just something to inspire you and get your day going. And also you can add those projects into your whatever you want to work with. So yeah, love you guys. Peace. See you on the next one.
Zavarana. Later, guys.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a cool effect. Yeah, but yeah, I'll see you guys later.